It was a sad and emotional moment for the family and friends and also members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force as they turned out in their numbers to pay their final respect to Superintendent Leon Clunis. The funeral service was held at the Open Bible Church on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew, which saw hundreds of individuals turning out to pay their final respect to the fallen police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to have highlights of the funeral service. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. We ask you, please remember just like, share, click that notification bell, click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Family, friends, and colleague of the late Superintendent Leon Clunes turned out in their numbers just in order to pay their final respect to the fallen police officer. Mr. Clunes was one of three other police officers that were taken down in a serious shooting incident over there in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And as the family and friends took the time out just in order to reflect on the life and work, he's been hailed as a hero. What makes Mr. Clunes' situation so sad was that he was set to release on the day that he passed away, and his families were at the hospital awaiting his arrival just in order to take him home when the unfortunate news broke about his passing. And we here at Links W7 TV, we just want to take this opportunity just in order to send our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of the fallen police officer. The Thanksgiving service for the life of Superintendent Leon Clunes, who headed a team of police officers who came under intense gunfire in Horizon Park, Spanish Town in St. Catherine on June 12, was held on Saturday at the Church of the Open Bible on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew. The lengthy Thanksgiving service lasted for more than 4 hours and includes several tributes being paid by state officials, civil society, family, friends, and also colleagues of the fallen police officer. In his tribute, the Governor General Sir Patrick Hallin hailed Mr. Clunis for his 29-year service to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He also took the time just in order to thank him for his wonderful work and his commitment to the Jamaica Constabulary Force as he was a relentless crime fighter. In his message, Prime Minister, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness also took the time to reflect on the life and work of Mr. Clunes and hailed him as a true crime fighter who had a passion for his work and also that it was a calling for the police. Let's go over to that right now.
Today we gather to pay our final respects to Superintendent Leon Clunis, a man who dedicated his life to the protection and service of the people of Jamaica. His own life exemplified the highest level of commitment and love for his country. From all indications, Superintendent Clunis was a commander who led from the front, wherever he served in the force. We saw this in his fearless work in tackling lottery scamming. He had a passion for his job, which made it more of a calling for him. No one expected the turn of events on the morning of Friday, June 12th, which ended in Detective Corporal Dane Biggs and Constable Ricardo Hilton losing their lives. As a country, we were deeply saddened at the deaths of Ricardo and Dane, but we were hopeful that Superintendent Clunis, who was critically injured, would have pulled through. I visited him on June 27th in the hospital. He was in high spirits. I encouraged him to remain strong. We talked and laughed about an encounter we had many years before, of which he reminded me. His smile lit up the room as we joked. I personally thanked him for his service to the force and to Jamaica. It came as a shock to all of us when we learned that he had succumbed. Without a doubt, his passing has saddened all of us. Superintendent Clunis's life and work will be forever remembered. To his wife, Tricia, and his 3 children, Hannah Kay, Eugene, and Danielle, to his family, friends, and colleagues, we mourn with you and we offer our prayers and our support. May the soul of Leon Clunis rest in peace, and may light perpetual shine on him.
Well, there you have it, Prime Minister Mr. Andrew Holness giving his account and also his tribute to the fallen police officer, Mr. Leon Clunis. In his message, you could hear the Prime Minister stating that this police officer was such a wonderful officer in which he gave his life and legacy to the Jamaica Constabulary Force in executing his duty. The Prime Minister as well also took the time out just to reflect on the life and work of the other police officers that were taken out in that shooting incident over there in Spanish Town, in which we lost Corporal Dane Biggs and also Ricardo Hilton in that incident. And that incident has left a shockwave throughout the entire Jamaica Constabulary Force. And also, they are still reeling from the effect of another shooting incident of another police officer that was on suspension that was taken out just a few weeks ago as well. This has been Links 007 TV report on the funeral service of the late Superintendent of Police Leon Clunis. And again, we just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of this fallen police officer, because I know this is a difficult time for them. It's going to be a molding process and a healing process for them right now, just in order for their life to be back to normality based on what transpired, and the fact that many were hoping that he would have pulled through this one, and the anticipation were just so high. Then when the unfortunate news broke that he passed away, it sent shockwave through the entire Jamaica Constabulary Force and even other places right across the world, and people who would have worked or who would have knew this individual, of his dedication to the force and also his commitment in fighting crime. So we're just gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. We just try to keep you up to date with these stories plus more to come on the program. We just ask you as well, please remember, just like, share, subscribe to this channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. All right, we're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links 007 TV. I'm on for now. Peace out. Bless.
The lines are fallen onto me in pleasant places. Yea, I have a goodly heritage. I will bless the Lord, who hath given me counsel. My reins also